Which keyboard is actually good for church worship? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Yamaha P45B. Let's kick things off with the Yamaha 88-key weighted portable digital piano. At around $429.99, this is a serious contender. The first thing that struck me was its realistic acoustic piano feel, thanks to the 88-key weighted action. If you want an authentic experience during worship, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The GHS weighted action keys respond to your touch, allowing for dynamic performances that can really elevate the atmosphere during worship. With 64-note polyphony, you won't have to worry about notes dropping out, especially when you're playing complex pieces. The built-in speakers deliver a rich sound that's perfect for filling a church space, and the USB connectivity makes it easy to integrate with other devices. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features like MIDI connectivity for more complex setups. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a straightforward, high-quality piano experience without the bells and whistles, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for both beginners and those who want to refine their skills. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your piano playing and want a quality instrument that replicates an acoustic feel. Skip this one if you need a ton of digital features or advanced connectivity options. For the price, you're getting a fantastic piano experience. Now, if Yamaha's price tag turned you off a bit, this next option is much more budget-friendly. Product number 2, RockJam RJ5061. Next up is the RockJam RJ5061 61-key keyboard piano kit, priced at just $119.99. This caught my eye because it's an all-in-one beginner set that comes with a stand, bench, and even headphones. If you want to start playing right away, this is a solid option. It features 200 rhythms and tones, plus a pitch bend wheel for more expressive playing. The included Simply Piano lessons help guide you step by step, making it easier to learn. Plus, the headphones allow for quiet practice, which is great if you share a space with others. Now, some users mention that the sound quality isn't as rich as higher-end models. But here's the thing, for a beginner set, you're getting a lot of value and the sound is still decent for practice. It's really geared towards those just stepping into music. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an affordable, complete package to get you started. Skip this one if you're more advanced and need professional-grade sound. For the price, it's a fantastic way to learn. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more functionality. Product number 3, JIKADA 61-key keyboard. Let's take a look at the JIKADA 61-key portable electronic keyboard, which comes in at $159.99. The first thing that stands out is the light-up keys, which can really help beginners learn faster. If you're looking for a keyboard that can make practice more intuitive, this one is worth considering. With 255 tones and rhythms, you can experiment with different sounds, creating a more engaging worship experience. Plus, the built-in stereo speakers deliver quality sound, and the LCD provides clear status updates on the functions being used. Now, some customers noted that the build quality feels a bit plasticky. But honestly, for a lightweight and portable keyboard, that's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, interactive way to learn and play music. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional acoustic piano feel. For the price, it's an excellent value, especially for beginners. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features, the next product steps it up a notch. Product number 4, Donner DEK610S. Next, we have the Donner 61-key keyboard piano priced at $139.99. This caught my attention because it comes with a ton of features, including an all-inclusive kit that has everything you need to start playing. If you want versatility and a complete setup, this one's a great option. The 2 built-in speakers provide great sound, and the LCD display makes it easy to navigate through the various functions. Plus, the teaching modes are designed to help you improve your skills systematically. Now, some users mention that the instructions can be a bit confusing. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the amount of features available can greatly enhance your learning and playing experience. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich keyboard that grows with your skill level. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler without all the extra functions. For the price, it offers fantastic value for a comprehensive learning experience. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which is a bit more on the premium side. Product number 5, Roland FP10. Finally, let's talk about the Roland FP10, which retails for $449.99. This digital piano is known for its authentic feel and sound quality, making it a go-to for many musicians. If you're serious about your playing, this is definitely worth your consideration. The keys have an ivory feel and touch sensitivity, which is crucial for expressive playing. It also includes Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect to various devices seamlessly. Now, some people pointed out that it's a bit pricier than other options. But honestly, if you're looking for a high-quality instrument that can grow with you as a player, it's worth the investment. The sound and feel are simply unmatched. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced player or serious about your music journey. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just starting out. For the quality you get, it's a worthy investment for any serious musician. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Yamaha P45B for true acoustic feel, the RockJam RJ5061 for a budget-friendly beginner kit, the JIK80A for its interactive learning features, the Donner DK610S for versatility, and the Roland FP10 for premium quality. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you in a worship setting as you make your choice.